Hi there, I'm Val Bellison, president of Dragonfly Pressure Washing. I have an ELMO set up for this episode of Will It Pressure Wash, and he sings. We're hoping to stop that singing. I've never been a particularly fond person of an ELMO. He's a little bit crazy, but we're gonna disintegrate him in this episode of Will It Pressure Wash. Ready? Bye-bye, ELMO. To conclude this episode, this is what ELMO looks like now, but you know what? He still works. No wonder there's so many of them still around. Oh my gosh, his arm still jiggles too. But he's a little bit worse for wear. He's sopping wet. And I'm Val Bellison, Dragonfly Pressure Washing. Find me at www.dragonflypressurewashing.com or send your comments or ideas to info@dragonflypressurewashing.com. Or I'm in Langley, British Columbia, and you can reach me at 604-528-4091. You have a great day.